Hey everyone, today the Globe Guys are in one of the most romantic cities in the world.
Welcome to Rome.
Okay, we're just on the shuttle bus now into the centre of Rome. We're actually staying at the Waldorf Astoria, which is a little bit further out of town, which ordinarily wouldn't be very convenient. However, it's an amazing hotel, so why not take a look at our review of the hotel, because it's on our channel. But yeah, so we're just on our way into the centre of Rome now. We're going to be dropped off somewhere quite near the Trevi Fountain.
So we're off the bus now and we're heading to what is one of Rome's most romantic sites, the Trevi Fountain. And yeah, the sun has come out, so although we are prepared with a brolly should it rain, but we're hoping it's going to stay dry, so looking forward to it. It is starting raining, we need to protect ourselves. Thankfully, courtesy of the Rome Cavaliere Hotel, we have a brolly.
So even in the rain, Trevi Fountain is beautiful.
It is. Yeah. And it was actually restored. So we actually visited here in 2013, but in 2014 it closed. And then they had a big kind of reopening ceremony in 2015. And I've basically restored it back to pristine condition, which is what we're seeing today. It is probably one of the most, if not the most famous fountain, I think, in the world.
Really. Oh yeah, I guess. And do you know that it's actually one of the oldest water sources in the whole city of Rome?
No.
Yeah. 19 BC.
Aren't you a fountain of knowledge, Ryan? And there's one more thing as well, is this fountain, this has appeared in many films, so for the movie buffs out there, probably more older films, but the most famous one probably is called Roman Holiday, so this was a key part in that film as well, so there you go. So we're walking now through, we've been to Trevi, and we're on our way now to the Pantheon, and the weather is a bit showery today, so Ryan's a chief brolly holder. Okay, we've actually just heard some cracks of thunder, so this is going to be a very interesting day, I think. And I think, right, we are the only people in Rome in t-shirts and shorts. Ryan seems to think we're not, but I believe we are. I've got a brolly.
So not for the first time in our grand tour of Italy has the heavens opened, so we've had to invest in another umbrella. But we're at the Pantheon now. Now, on our last trip to Rome, we went in here apparently, but I don't remember. So I've slept since then. Anyway, so we're going to see what the deal is about getting inside, because apparently, from Ivan's memory, it's beautiful in there, so we're going to go and take a look. It's beautiful inside the Pantheon, you're right, but I still don't remember it. I know that's really bad.
Yeah, but it's 7 years ago, so it's fine, you're forgiven.
But yeah, what's really interesting is the fact that there is a big massive hole in the ceiling.
Oh, it is, I mean, and the sun's come out now, right, but as you've just seen, it was literally tipping it down as we approached it. And if we'd been inside when it was tipping it down, we'd have seen the rain gushing through this hole.
That'd have been amazing.
That would have been, honestly, I'm quite disappointed by that, unfortunately, but it is what it is, can't be helped.
But we knew there was a hole in the ceiling, but It's actually like it was meant to be there.
Yeah,
so I thought when you said, "Oh, there's a hole in the ceiling," I thought that
it was kind of ruined in.
Ruined. Yeah,
no, it's designed that way.
So,
but it's an amazing structure. Every time when I look at those words, right, I just think of Gladiator, right? the Roman numerals and the way it's written, I just think of the film Gladiator, even though we're not at the Colosseum yet.
Now we've just come a few hundred metres away from the Pantheon to this place, and I do actually remember this place. It's called the Piazza Navona. And
I don't remember this.
Well, there you go. I remember this because it's a beautiful square and it just exudes everything that Italy stands for. So you've got beautiful restaurants and cafe bars, you've got fountains, beautiful architecture. It's great. Now this apparently was built on an old ancient athlete's arena. Did you know that?
I did not know that.
No. So yeah, it's true. But it's beautiful, it's really, really nice. And of course, whenever you get beautiful squares and coffee shops, Ivan's got to go and have a coffee.
I do. Well, why not? You know, so we get to enjoy the atmosphere just for 10-15 minutes. Why not?
Yeah.
You know, well, that's what we're here for. You know, and you know, it's fantastic. And the sun is out. You know, but we have Brolly standing by because as we're stood here in the sunshine, we can feel the odd little drop of rain, can't we?
Yeah. So it's mid-morning, time for a coffee break. Let's go. Ivan's had his coffee now, my feet are drying out, so all's good. We're heading to the Spanish Steps now, which is a really nice, pretty part of Rome. And I've never really kind of looked up why they call them the Spanish Steps, but the simple answer is that it's right next to the Spanish Embassy. Or it was right next to the Spanish Embassy, I'm not sure if it's still there. But yeah, so we're going to take a walk up there. It's going to be about a mile walk, so it's going to take us about 15 minutes, I reckon. Reached the top of the Spanish Steps. It's an amazing view. You can even see our hotel, which is over in that direction.
It's incredible, yeah.
Yeah. So I must be really unfixed. I think I've pulled my thigh. I think I've pulled a bit of the muscle. Yeah, seriously, I have, yeah.
Okay, all right. Call the ambulance.
But yeah, no, it's great up here. It's a really nice view.
Yeah, I don't remember coming up here last time. So whether we did or didn't, I don't know. I guess we'll have to leave that to the history books. But
we have actually been to Rome together before, believe it or not.
Yeah, but it's 7 years ago, so we can be forgiven for forgetting a little bit. But no, but just look, I mean, seriously, it's amazing. I love this little street, it's a quaint street you can see there. You know, it's amazing.
Nice. It's nice. But we haven't got too much time to sit here and admire the view because the whistle stop tour continues.
It does. What's next?
I'll show you.
Stay tuned.
Much more Roman than this. This is the Roman Forum, and it's a collection or a sprawl of government buildings and palaces and basilicas, and even today it looks like they're still doing excavations.
little cute bus. Seriously, it's almost bigger than me. Seriously, look at it. It's like this big. It's like this big. It's like a box.
You're going to stand next to it. Now this has to be one of the most famous and most iconic structures of Rome. It is of course the Colosseum. It was built in between 70 and 80 AD, and at the time it was the largest amphitheatre in the world, I believe. It could hold up to 80,000 spectators.
It's incredible. I mean, just stop and just think about what he just said. You know, this building, it was built 70 AD. It stood behind us. Here we are in 2020.
And it's made out of limestone, and believe it or not, it's made out of volcanic rock as well.
Wow.
And it's now one of the 7 new wonders of the world.
Oh really?
New wonders of the world, which is a bit of an oxymoron really, considering how old it actually is, to be listed as one of the new 7 wonders of the world.
No, it is, you're absolutely right. It's incredible.
Yeah.
It's breathtaking. I mean, you know, for me, I look at that and I instantly think of, you know, bringing it more modern, think about the film Gladiator, you know, and just thinking about when this was used as an arena for gladiators to come in and fight for their lives. You know, this exact building was used for people to fight to the death, you know, and it's still standing today. It's just incredible.
Yeah, and this is Rome. This is the iconic image of Rome.
So obviously we're in Rome, but we're actually now about to leave it because we're going to go into another city, and that city is Vatican City.
So here we are in the Vatican. We're in the very grand St. Peter's Square. It's a lot grander than the St. Peter's Square in Manchester.
Most certainly is.
Yeah. But it's nice. You've got the Sistine Chapel behind us, you've got other monuments. It's beautiful.
It's really good. And it, you know, I mean, we're literally, you know, we can't believe how close we can get to, I guess, to the Sistine Chapel really, because when we came here in 2013 it was all filled with chairs and various things, but obviously now the Pope isn't doing the masses and stuff on a Sunday, so they've cleared all that away, which is great because you can now free to roam around in this area, which is, it makes it feel really special and really quite, that you can get quite up close and personal to an area that you wouldn't normally get to.
So this brings to an end our little tour of Rome. We've seen all the major sites. It's been been a busy day, but it's been a good day. And it's also brings to an end our grand tour of Italy. We started off in Sorrento almost 2 weeks ago, and since then we've crisscrossed the country. We've been to Sorrento, the beautiful Amalfi Coast, including Positano.
Positano was breathtaking, Amalfi was breathtaking. We've seen so many stunning things.
We went to Capri.
Breathtaking.
You know, the Millionaire's Playground. We got absolutely piss wet through in Pompeii, and then we headed up to Venice. That was amazing.
We had a magical weekend in Venice. We had a beautiful hotel, beautiful location, and it was great.
Then went down to Florence. Florence was quite surprising. Very pretty.
It was beautiful.
A beautiful city. Then we tried to get the best shot that we could of the Leaning Tower of Pisa, of course in the city of Pisa. And then we finished off here in the Eternal City, Rome.
Absolutely. And we've had an amazing day, we've had an amazing time, we've had an amazing tour of Italy.
Amazing. We've used their fantastic railways, eaten their amazing food. It's been fantastic.
Seriously, yeah. Don't come to Italy if you're on a diet. There's just no point, really.
Anyway, we hope that you've enjoyed this video, and we hope you've enjoyed all of our videos during our time here in Italy. If you have, we'd love you to subscribe to us, and if you are subscribing, make sure that you hit that bell button so you get all the instant notifications whenever we drop new content.
We also have a Facebook page, so please give us a like there, and also check out our website, www.theglobeguys.com. We are digital business owners. We help people start their own digital business. So if you're looking to start your own digital business but didn't know where to start, this is where you start. Send us a message and we'll be glad to help you. And also check out the free workshop that's on our website.
So we've got about 20 hours before we're due to leave Italy, so we're going back for a well-earned rest in the hotel spa, aren't we?
We are, yeah. It's a bit of a swimming, a bit of a nice chill couple of hours before we get ready to enjoy our last night in Rome.
Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next destination.
Ciao.
Arrivederci.